As the second model year of the new generation, the 2024 Honda CR-V will certainly continue in the same way. The new model is bigger, with a longer hood and completely new front end. The front end is characterized by narrower headlights, a massive honeycomb grille, and many other parts that make this SUV look much bolder than before. Interior. We are about to see the same cabin design, which takes a lot of inspiration from Civic. The dashboard is practically the same, with the same honeycomb pattern all over, and a design that combines retro and modern elements in such a nice fashion. Also, the new infotainment system is way more intuitive than before. Engines. Base models will continue with a well-known 1.5-liter turbo 4, which comes in pair with a CVT. It features a max output of 190 horsepower, which provides pretty adequate acceleration and offers pretty impressive fuel economy. 2024 Honda CR-V release date and price. We believe that 2024 Honda CR-V will arrive sometime in the last quarter of 2023. The base price should go around $32,000.